Welcome to this seated practice to stretch the neck and shoulders and upper back that can be done at your desk or in the office or on a short break. We're going to get moving quickly, yogis, so find yourself seated position in a sturdy chair. We'll let the hands come down by the sides. We'll start immediately with breath and movement. Turn your palms out and circle your hands up. Deep breath in. And bring your hands to your heart on your exhale, straight down the center. Reach your palms still forwards and pressing together. And breathe in to your upper back. Exhale, bring the hands back into your heart. Release them, circle them out and up, look up. Maybe lift your chest this time. Hands join together and drop down to your heart. Inhale, reach the palms forwards, the prayer hands forwards. Exhale, bring them back in. And again, circle them out nice and big. Hands to your heart. Forwards, breathe in. And back into your heart. Circle them out, just moving your breath, moving your body. Deep breath into belly, into chest, hands to heart. Reach them forwards. And bring them in. Good, and again, inhale high. Hands to heart. Inhale, reaching forwards. Fingertips going as far forwards as you can, stretching between the shoulders, and bring it in. Let's change this up. Take your hands out, and if you can, hold the opposite elbow overhead. This can be a bit tricky for some, so if your shoulders feel tight, you could hold your hands, you could hold your wrists, and if neither of those are possible, you can do this with the arms straight up still. Okay, so find the variation that's comfortable in your shoulders, some stretch but no sharp pain or pinching. You need to lift up your chest and reach your forearms back. So coming into a back bend. Just a really good stretch into your upper back if you've been sat over a desk or a project. Make sure you can breathe. If you're holding your breath, you might be going a little bit too much. Another deep breath. Good, and come back up to a more neutral position and lean to the right. Keep the arms as they are if you can. So side stretch here. You can either look up under your left underarm or upper arm, or you can look down towards the floor on the right if that feels more stable. Keep lifting your left elbow up and over, and then back up to center. Take a deep breath. And on your exhale, reach over to the other side. Over to the left. And like you did on the other side, you can set your eyes up towards the ceiling under the right bicep. Or you can turn your head down by your left hip. Keep lifting the right elbow up and over. And back up to center. And release your arms. Widen your feet some and fold forwards. Relax your back, your neck, your shoulders. Just creep your way down now. And then let your chin drop towards your chest. And just another breath here, please, yogis. Again, we're going to sit our way back up. You can take your hands forwards up, back overhead, and again, you can keep your arms up as they are, or you can clasp them together, just like we did the last time. You need to lift the elbows, lift your chest, open up the front of your body there. Find a depth that's sustainable, not forced. You can breathe deeply. Another full breath. Fantastic, come on up. Tilt over to the right again, left elbow coming up over the top. Getting up to center and over the other way. Breath into the right side of your body. Great, come on up, release your hands and come back down into a forward fold. We'll add in a twist to this fold this time, so not necessarily as low down to the floor as you were the last time. Keep your left fingertips or even a palm on the floor. Put your right hand on your right knee. Turn your torso towards the right. Pressing down with the right hand helps. And turning your chest to the right side, even feeling like it's turning up to the ceiling. And you can release that right hand down and take your left hand to your left knee. Turn your chest to the left. Pressing down to the heel with the left hand, helping to get that lovely twist through the middle and upper back, looking up towards the ceiling over the left arm. And soften it down. We'll do that one more time. Right hand to right knee, please. And turn it to the right, looking up over the right side. And releasing your right hand down. Putting your left hand on your left knee and turning to the left. Well done. Come on back down, please. Make your way back up. You can roll your shoulders back a couple of times. Take a clasp behind you, interlace your fingers all together behind your back if you can, or hold the chair if that feels better for your shoulders. Puff your chest up one more time here. And you'll release. Put your hands onto your thighs. Drop your chin towards your chest. And roll your right ear over towards the right shoulder. And really carefully, if it feels okay, roll down through center. And over to the left. We don't want to drop the head back, so we're staying within this front semicircle of the neck. You can roll down towards center. Relax your hands, relax your shoulders, roll over to the right. You can be going slower than me if that feels really good. And around and over towards the left. And if you need to hold somewhere that feels a little bit tight or tense, you may do so. And do one more time each way. Take your time. And we'll lift the head back up to center. Take a moment to observe your posture, to roll your shoulders back and down, to lift your hands up to a prayer position in front of your heart. And take an energizing breath in. Hold at the top for a moment. And big exhale. Thank you, Yogi. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice, please subscribe for more yoga videos and meditations.